Hello guys. Today I'm going to review the best drone on Aliexpress under $100. What is the best drone, you ask? Well, it could be anything. It could be the best drone under $100, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is that your drone is not crappy. You want your drone to be something that you can trust, something that you can use for drone photography. So that is what we are going to review today. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. And at number 5, the best drone is new L900 Pro 4K dual quadcopter drone. The drone will be capable to display its location in a sophisticated way on the mobile app in the GPS dual positioning mode, and surely this drone will allow the operator to control the position of the drone. If you compare the brushless motor with the brush motor, you can know the difference that the speed of the brushless motor is 20 times that of the brush motor. You will get 30 times the working life of brushed motors. The chance of failures is also low. Failures will occur rarely and the motor rarely needs to be replaced. It is highly compatible, because you can fold the arms, which will save space, and the structure is also compact, which makes it more easily carryable. You will get a connectable app that will help you by providing some awesome and great features. And with the 5G Wi-Fi connection, you can take photos, videos, and transmit images in real time also through the phone camera. Its GPS-assisted flight can provide you with accurate positioning details of the drone, and you can even get it to return to home without worrying about losing the drone when the batteries will be low or the signal will be low. You will get an optical flow positioning feature in it, which will give you a chance to shoot indoors more easily and steadily because it will help you to maintain a fixed height. It is provided with a high maintenance mode, which will help the quadcopter to hover steadily in the air, and hovering it steadily will make shooting easier. You can do all these by setting the external air pressure with the help of a high maintenance mode. You can record your beauty through gestures, so now you can break the old way of taking pictures and discover new things by showing gestures. Though you can do this gesture thing and record within the range of 1 to 3 meters. It is manufactured with a large capacity of 7.4 volt, 2200 mAh smart battery, which can produce up to 28 minutes of flight. These 28 minutes of flight time will give you enough opportunity to gather great snaps and footage with the amazing features, of course. You can make it follow you no matter where you go. The drone will automatically track and capture you. It will give you the opportunity to keep yourself in the picture at any time, which will also help you take complex photos, and provide hands-free flight and selfie function. And at number 4, the best drone is Snaptain SP500 4K camera drone. You will get a double flight time of up to 30 minutes with 2 modular batteries that are 1000 mAh each. With this fly time, it becomes much safer to replace, and you will get a chance to gather quality shots with this much fly time. There are some amazing GPS functions in it, that you can set the flight distance of the drone, plan your safe flight area. The drone will also be able to identify geographic locations through GPS systems and can auto-land or return to areas with electronic fences. You can automatically fly it along the path you set, or automatically orbit around by choosing a point and set desired hover height and radius. It will automatically circle around an object, which will give you a massive chance to get a perfect shot. You won't lose the drone because of the low battery. The drone will perform an auto return if the battery becomes low or it loses the signal. Through the GPS feature, you can enable precise position and prevent from losing the drone. You can make your drone follow the signal of your mobile phone, and ensure capturing the images that are desirable and likable to you no matter where you go. You can also take photos via this drone by posing a victory sign to the camera, and can start or end video recording via posing an open palm sign to the camera. Follow me mode, gesture control, share your wonderful moments. This drone has headless mode, altitude hold mode, one key takeoff system. The drone can fly in any direction in headless mode, which will help you a lot if you are a beginner, and you will get some time to relax if you are good at flying. And at number 3, the best drone is M1 Pro 24K GPS Drone. You will get the advantage of clicking pictures from innovative angles with this mini drone's 2-axis stabilization mechanical pan tilt feature. In general, the pan tilt camera helps you by achieving a tilt angle of 110 degrees, where the vertical photography angle is 90 degrees plus 20 degrees. With just a single click, you can do a major task, that is, you can command the aircraft to take off, land, and even return from a distance. When you will summon it back, the drone will come to the original location from where it took off, which will surely make your job easy. It is provided with gesture recognition, which means you can make a gesture looking at the drone camera. From about 1 to 3 meters away, it will click your picture. The aircraft has been given with feature that will make the aircraft smartly recognize the gesture, which will instantly turn your happy moments into everlasting memories. You can even shoot amazing and cool videos with this professional drone, even without any additional effort, and you can also fix a point, then set the radial distance with the joystick and watch the drone take videos encircling the selected object. You can share videos and pictures easily because these amazing quadcopter drones will let you share pictures and videos as well, where you can share multiple pictures and one video at a time. It is given battery capacity which can provide about 30 minutes of continuous fly time. Shoot amazing high-definition videos at 25 frames per second. This amazing quadcopter boasts an excellent video resolution of 2048 by 1080 pixels. The picture resolution is 4096 by 3072 pixels, and it is provided with a 2-axis anti-shaking self-stabilizing drone camera gimbal, which makes your videos extremely stabilized. It is provided with a brushless motor, and you have to charge the drone for about 6 hours to fully charge it. You can even operate it with beginner skills. You will get a remote controller, batteries, operating instructions, charger, camera, and USB cable in the package. All of these amazing features makes this as one of the best drones in AliExpress under $100. And at number 2, the best drone is Jinheng LS25 Pro 6K GPS Drone. It is manufactured with a fixed camera mount as a camera mount type. Its video capture resolution is 4K Ultra High Definition to 6K Ultra High Definition, and you can do aerial photography with it. It provides a frame rate of 25 frames per second. You can fly it for about 20 minutes with a capacity of 2000 mAh. To fully charge the battery, you will need to charge it for about 60 minutes, and you will have to charge it with 7.4 volt. You will get the app-controlled feature in it so that you can control your drone from the app. You will also get a remote control with it, to operate it which direction you want. It is manufactured with brushless motor, which will provide you with many great benefits compared to ordinary motor or others. You will get greater service compared to them. You can operate it in both indoor and outdoor. It is operable in both places. In the state of assembly, you will get it ready to go. And you can also operate with beginner level skill. It is a helicopter type of drone. You will get it in both yellow and black colors, and its dimension is 28 by 23 and 11 centimeters. You will get many things in the package. For example, you will get a camera, batteries, remote controller, USB cable, and instruction manual in the package. Some parts of the drone are made of plastic and some are made metal, and you will get 15 days of warranty with it. And at number 1, the best drone is F11 Pro GPS Drone. The GPS associated features are provided with it. GPS positioning mode will give you an accurate flight, and with the 5G Wi-Fi function you can connect it with app, a PK system to take pictures and video. You will also get a real-time transmission through the phone camera image. It is manufactured with first-person view, and its 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance is up to 2,000 meters. The drone will fix the controlling cell phone, will follow it whichever direction you take it, and that will simplify the flying. You can enjoy a stable flight and can gather some stable and amazing footage because it has a function called altitude hold which provides stable flight. You can even fly the copter according to your drawn route, which function is called waypoint flight mode. You have to just draw a route on the screen. This amazing drone is provided with 7.4 volt, 2500 mAh battery, which gives a fly time of up to about 25 minutes, and that is a great quality for a drone under $100. It's one key return function that makes it easy to find the way home. It has one press automatically taking off or landing function. With one press you can make it take off or go back to the position where it took off. It certainly has 4 channels that can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly, and with its 6-axis gyro. You can have more stable flying and can make it easy to control. You can control it by remote within 1200 meter. Its video capture resolution is 4K ultra high definition and 6K ultra high definition and can do aerial photography with it. It needs a charging time of about 120 to 150 minutes. You can operate this fabulous drone with beginner operating skills also. In the package, you will get a charger, remote controller, camera, USB cable, batteries, operating instructions. I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.